we see this thing on a tree. We don't know if it's an owl or an eagle or, but
it looks like you saw this already. It's one of lemur.
You know, it's pretty neat though.
Yeah,
But it's a big bird. Could be a hawk. But we'll see. That's pretty cool. We don't know what kind of bird this is, but I want to share with you guys. It could be a type of hawk. Oh, I don't know. I'm getting close to it. Getting close. Super close. Super close. Super close. Check that out. That was cool. It was a type of bird, but you know, that was neat. But I just wanted to show you guys that Jesus is king and he loves you guys. That could have been some type of hawk or something, or I don't know, but I see you right now. But that's cool. Beautiful bird. Wow. But yeah, accept Jesus with a pure heart and you'll be saved. God bless.